Okay guys, let's make tortilla. Tortilla, you can call it wrap as well. First time of me using self-raising. I just want to try new thing. I've never used self-raising. I usually use plain flour or all-purpose flour. So we are going to mix the ingredients together. And you want to really mix it and add it a hot water, not lukewarm water, hot water, gradually, and you're going to mix it. Just take your time. And the reason why I want to try self-raising, I've never, like I said, I've never tried self-raising before, but it turned out very okay. But I prefer the plain flour. When you are making tortilla, you don't use baking powder. I was shocked a lot of people use baking powder. It's very easy. It's just 3 ingredients. So I knead it very well. I cover it for 5 minutes, roughly 5 minutes, and I continue rolling it. I divide it to my preference. So you can divide it anyhow you want. And I went ahead, as you can see, the portion, and it turned out very well. But unfortunately, you cannot keep it for 5 minutes. You cannot use self-raising for tortilla. I just want to try new thing. It's like a beginner when you want to try everything. So please, I want you guys to pay attention. So I dice it. I use my hand. You can use knife. You can use anything you want to divide it to the portion which you prefer. As you can see, because it's homemade just for the children and me, so I make it fine paste, and I added the dry flowers again, and I just apply it to the fry pan. You can see the fry pan. Please don't put olive oil or any oil, just ordinary pan. It's very easy. Anybody could just make this. I just want to show you that you cannot use self-raising flour to make a tortilla. It will be kind of very very saggy, not really saggy. I just don't like it, but it tastes nice because of the butter and it cook well as well. But what I'm saying, you cannot just try. You can go ahead and try it, you know. I just, for curiosity, I just, okay, let me just use self-raising. And the next video, I'm going to be using plain flour, and you can see how it's going to turn. No, guys, that is it. And it turn up. The children like it. I love it. We just hate it anyway. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Leave comments. Have you tried your tortilla?